Hey, it's Native Survival. I'm out with a good buddy of mine, Matt Brooks, and I was asked to show how I sharpen an axe from another friend of mine. So I happen to be making a spoon today. So as I make the spoon and my axe dulls up, I'll show you how I sharpen it. Alright, so first thing I do is clean my bevel. I use the Bushcraft. Let's go to the fine side because I'm just touching up my blade here. What I do is basically I set the bevel right on and I tilt it until I can't see the shadow anymore in between the stone and the bevel. That way I know I'm right at the exact point that they meet. Okay, now I try to lock down as many limbs as possible. Try to do this so you guys can see. Be as stable as I can. And I just lightly go in circles. It'll be a nice weekend out here today. It'll be a nice weekend. So what I do is I start say about a 1/4 inch from the edge and I work my way towards the edge. Then I bounce back a little, work my way towards the edge again. And keep doing that as I go all the way across. Definitely got a storm rolling through today. Alright, so I'm going to switch over. I'm going to try to get a better angle so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so here's my edge. So I gently tilt it. Which is not easy behind the camera like this. Just want to show you. So what I do is I tilt it. See that shadow right here? Tilt it until it disappears. Then I just lightly rub. I'm a lot less steady behind the camera than I am usually. But you get the idea. Now, if I falter a little bit, I stop immediately and I reset. Do it again. Alright, so I flip it over. And do it again. I do this so you guys can see as well. Alright. Now I test my edge on both sides. Excellent. Alright, so it's coming along. While I'm working on this, buddy Matt is working on a birch bark container. Let me show you guys. It's going with the square style, which is a bit more difficult.
Yeah. Got some more clothespins here.
Yep, gonna make some clothespins.
The idea is to fold in the ends like this and stick them with clothespins.
Yep.
Make a little
good stuff, man.
Container.
Nice. Well, we'll check back in.
Oh, so what we did here was we made some clothespins. I folded in the sides and we clothespinned it. It's quicker. It's a little crude, but it's the quickest way. Gives us a nice little flat level container that we can cook in or boil water in. Only took me about maybe 5-10 minutes to make.
Turn the angle up so we can see how deep it is the other way. So turn it this way. Exactly. So we can see the walls.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, it's just like this. Check this out, guys. This is pretty awesome. See how deep that is? It's got to be at least 3-4 inches deep. Nice job, man. Great stuff. Alright, so I'm going to keep plugging away on this. It's coming along. We'll get back to you. Alright, hanging out by the fire, cooking up some bacon. My buddies Matt and Joe. Just relaxing. Class is starting tomorrow. Just hanging out. Alright, so we have a nice wide fire. Me and Matt are hanging out. And just brewed up a batch of some chaga. Nice and dark. Delicious. It's key to put a bunch of fire where you can reach it while you're still laying down. So you can wake up in the middle of the night, reach over and just chuck it on the fire. So the reason why I'm making it so long is so it will heat up my whole body while I'm sleeping. It's not that cold out, it's just, you know, 50s. But it catches up with you when you're laying on the ground. So, anyways, we'll see you in the AM. Alright, so we just woke up. It's around 7:30. We got up, already got dressed. So this is how I was rolling last night. Wool blanket, Gore-Tex bivvy. Sleeping next to a fire. Nice long fire all night. Kept me warm. No issues. So I'm going to show you guys around the site real quick. Alright, this is my site from last night. Have a bunch of articles hanging there, like my poncho, my jacket, and my sweater last night while I was sleeping. We got a nice rainstorm that came through last night, drenched everything down. Chopping block we had underneath the tarp, so that way we can process firewood without getting wet. That's my seat slash table. This is my my bedroll. That's left over from my stack from the night, so I was just chucking them in during the night. Wake up, you know, 2-3 in the morning. Fire died down. Don't even have to get up, you know. You just throw some in. All right, so this is how my spoon turned out. Nice little spoon. Functional. Alright, it's been Mitch and Native Survival. Appreciate your views, your comments, and your support. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.